Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never reached, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, Daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream, like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories, thinking about the glory. Those always seem to me, but only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got so deep. For the morning sun when life only. Once I was 20 years old. I only see my goals. I don't believe in failures. But I know those smallest voices, they can make it make. I got my voice with me. At least good in favor. And we don't need only I will try. Once I was 20 years old, story got told.